So two more very useful features of the Pieces for Sublime Text plugin is the debugging feature and the add code comments feature. So I've just written up the script and it's not running properly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the code here and ask Copilot to fix a bug and say, look for bugs because I'm not sure what the issue is here. So let's see what it says. So I'm going to let it think. I hit enter and it says, let's see, oh I see, I forgot to import any and I didn't return the sum batch. That's the issue. So save it, boom, and now it runs. And oh, you know what, that looks really nice. Process the batch data. Let's have it do code comments for all of it because I'm feeling a little lazy or perhaps I'm just short for time. So we're going to add code comments. Again, we're going to let it think, and just like that, it is going to generate a list of very nice code comments, where nicely formatted code comments for all of my selected code here. So yes, two more very functional, very useful features of the plugin, and very handy for whether or not you know the actual error itself, or if you don't know, like it was in this example here. It can really do a lot of lifting for you and help you snatch up some of those bugs.